Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to stir fry glass noodle or mung bean noodles. Okay, this noodle is different than bihun. It is usually a bit transparent in color and a little bit more chewier. Yeah, more chewier compared with bihun. Thailand stir fry glass noodle is very nice. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredient. I have 2 pieces of glass noodle here from the packing. This is good for at least 3 adults. And what I did was to soak it under hot water for approximately 10 minutes, and then it will become like this, and you will be cooked much easier. Now it's almost a little bit like half cooked, as you can see from the whitish color. Now, all the other ingredients is totally optional. You can put any ingredient you like. There's no rules in Appa's kitchen. So I'm going to put in 2 eggs, 1 lapchong, Chinese sausage slice, and these are some of the veggie I'm going to put inside. A bit of choy sam, julienne carrots, and also sliced shiitake mushroom. This is some chopped garlic and chopped shallot. This is 1 bowl of hot water, or you can use chicken stock, even better. Alright, let's start with putting in some cooking oil. And we want to saute the garlic and shallot. Very fragrant. And then you can put in the shiitake mushroom together with the carrot. By sauteing carrot, you can actually release the carotene. 胡萝卜素, yeah, carotene very fast. You can start seeing the oil started to change orangey. That is the carotene releasing. Right, push this to the side. Put in the egg. I will season the egg a little bit with some pepper salt. Mix everything nicely together. We can now put in the tanghun, immediately you see the tanghun is soaking out all the egg, yeah? Now we can put in the lapchong. You can actually stir fry the lapchong with the carrot also just now, no problem. The veggie. We probably don't need a lot of water anymore because the tanghun already has some water just now. Now let's give it some seasoning. I'm going to give it a bit of oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon. Some light soy sauce, 1 round. A little bit of fish sauce. My favorite fish sauce, onki. What else? A little bit of Shaoxing wine. Of course, if you don't take alcohol, you can omit the Shaoxing wine. A little bit of salt and sugar. Always put your salt and sugar in two different kind of containers so that you won't mix it up. Wow, super fragrant. If you use chicken stock, even nicer. By the way, I did not end up putting the extra water, yeah? Probably will only put a little bit later. So we don't need a lot of water. Right, almost done. Let me give it a few dashes of white pepper and also some bit of sesame oil. Yep. Give it a few more stir and it's basically done. Try to use hot water to pre-soak your glass noodle so that you can cut short the cooking time here, yeah? Done. So here's Appa stir-fry glass noodle. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.